Transmission fluid bypass valve installation guide. Step 1. Allow the vehicle to cool. Slide off the plastic cover and remove the retaining clips. Set the retaining rings aside for reinstallation in another step. Step 2. Remove the bolt securing the factory bypass valve to the transmission. Step 3. Disconnect the transmission lines and remove the factory bypass valve. Step 4. Before you begin, if you have purchased the PPE compound washer 114052004 to replace the factory bypass valve seal, then right now is a good time to remove the factory seal. If you are planning to reuse the factory seal, then skip this step. Step 5. Remove the 2 quick connect fittings from the factory bypass valve. Step 6. Install the quick connect fittings with the retaining clip onto the PPE bypass valve. Step 7. This step refers back to Step 4. Install the 2 PPE compound washers onto the PPE bypass valve. Skip this step if you are planning to use the factory seal. Step 8. Check to tighten the service plug to 12 to 15 pound-feet. Step 9. Install the PPE bypass onto the transmission and tighten with the bolt removed in Step 2. Step 10. Reconnect the factory transmission lines into the quick connect fittings. Then reinstall the plastic cover. Installation complete.